agonizing experiences through which the parents and children are going through because of the new format of imparting education, whether elementary level or your higher secondary level. Because of the online classes, the children are required to have smartphones. How many people are having smartphones? If there are 100 students in one school, how many of them have smartphones? So this part, government has to address. They should ensure that there is some mechanism created to ensure that the underprivileged students, children belonging to the economically weaker section and those who can't afford because of economic constraints are taken care of. There has to be a mechanism. And at the same time, villages who are suffering because of lack of electricity, villages after villages, due to lack of electricity, the transformers have conked out and there is no replacement. Villagers were told, that's why I have told them, look, this electricity, distribution of electricity is part of essential services. Okay. When it comes to controlling the livelihood of agitation of the employees of the MECL, then they will say that, oh, look, you can't do it because it's essential services. But they are subjecting people to so much of discrimination by not providing and replacing the transformers on time. Even after people have cleared their dues and whatever pending bills were there. This is the scene. So you can understand the magnitude of agonizing experiences that our children are being subjected to during this time. Another one, this lack of connectivity, network problem. Many of the service providers are failing. Government should take cognizance of this and have a review with all the service providers, whether Airtel, whether Jio. They're making money, Jio, Airtel, because of the whole increase in traffic. But they must also fulfill their responsibility to attend to this crucial sector. So that's why the government has to wake up and take cognizance of those areas where corrections, deficiencies are required to be addressed.